Hello and welcome to FNS Yamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania, South Central PA's premier XL jet boat dealer. If you're not familiar with us, check us out on our website at FNSYamaha.com, our very active YouTube channel, FNS Yamaha, Google listing and Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. We just recently became an XL boats dealer. Now, we've been in business for many years, but XL is new to us. I've wanted to have a jet boat, an outboard jet boat, for quite some time, but I've been reluctant because I wanted a very high quality boat, and I feel that we hit the mark here with XL. By the way, I'm Andy. I sell most of the fishing boats here at FNS, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Anyway, on to the cool XL boat. This is a 2027. Yes, they just started to arrive, 2027s. 184 Switchblade. So it's a 62-inch bottom, 18-foot center console, a true tunnel hull jet. XL is an all-welded boat. Everything's completely welded together, including the floor. These are a super solid structure. This is what I was shooting for with a higher-end jet boat, and we hit the mark with this. It's a 0.125 thickness bottom. This is, hopefully I get this right, high def Optifade timber camo. Yeah, the camos, I get confused quickly. But anyway, that's what this color is. And I also ordered the motor custom matched, which I think it looks spot on with the boat. They do that, of course, at XL in-house. Aluminum trailer with aluminum wheels. Matching spare, you can see peeking on the other side there. Cool little touches like these little shark hide nav lights up front. Swiveling spotlight. That is one bright spotlight, and it swivels so you can see, and of course locks in place with these straps, and it's color matched to the boat as well. This is a true tunnel hull boat, like I said. Not just a flat bottom, but it's designed specifically for this Yamaha jet, 115/80. It's hard to tell it's a Yamaha, but it is camoed, of course, to match. You see the sponsons here in the back. Brackets for transducers or whatever you're going to mount. And like I said, it's a true tunnel hull. Another bracket on the other side here for transducers. We also got quick slide bunks on the trailer in case you guys are going to brackish water. Even things like these handles are welded structure on the boat. This thing is really solid structure. Aqua traction flooring. So as you can see without, we have some in stock with, some without, but this one of course is everywhere, including down the cockpit. 12-gallon fuel tank will be included. 3 across seating on the front deck and also the rear deck. Those guys that are crappie fishing. Take note to how this boat is put together. Man, that thing is one solid structure. 5-person capacity. You see the tack. I did order it with a Bluetooth stereo with 2 8-inch speakers. Also has a green light package, so there are green lights underneath the gunnels on both sides, down at the bottom of the flooring and in the storages with that light kit. See a switch panel there, nav lights, bilge, horn. Accessories, one of the accessories does the lights kit. Extra storage here for whatever. Ordered it with 6-gauge trolling motor wiring. That way, whatever your trolling motor you're putting on here, you're good to go. It's pre-wired with it. See with the wire there with the breaker. It has its own trolling motor pad there as well. Gun box on either side. I forgot to measure the length of this before I took the video, but it's that's a good question. I should have measured it. Sorry about that. I'll do it on the next video. We've got several of these, so I'm going to do a bunch of videos on these guys. And then there's also on directly on the other side as well. A couple options for fuel tank. We can either put a 12-gallon tank up front here or in the rear, whichever you prefer. Then you just have storage back here. And then in the rear, lots of area back here, whether we're going to put a fuel tank, like I said, or just extra storage. That tube's just to hold your drain plug. They do little things like that that make things more convenient. If you're not familiar with us, we are privately owned here in Hanover, Pennsylvania. I mentioned service. Every boat that we sell, not just Excel, but every brand of boat in the industry, there are things that need approved upon and fixed before they come from the factory. And we go through boats very thoroughly. We also water test every boat because there are certain things that can only be tested in the water. And then I'd be glad to go with you to the water as well if you want. Whether you're picking up here at the shop or if you're coming from distance. We have people from all over the nation that buy from us. I meet a lot of people halfway, or a lot of people pick up here as well, whichever you prefer. Either way, it'd be nice to go to the water if we can to show you how to run your boat. We do a lot of custom riggings too with electronics, fish finders, trolling motors, shallow water anchors, you name it, we do a lot of it. Miller Tech batteries, Sea Clear wiring harnesses. If you check our YouTube channel out, you'll see a lot of customers' completed boats as examples. Oh, almost forgot to mention, this plexiglass didn't come for this windshield yet, which I thought I wanted to get a video done as soon as possible, but I figured you kind of get the point with the plexiglass will go in that spot. But oh, a T-rail system on the gunnels on both sides for whatever you're going to put there, rod holders or whatnot on the gunnels. Quick lap around our lot. We also an express boats dealer, bass boats, bay boats, they're duck boats as well. Bennington pontoons, a lot of used boats. Smoker Craft V-bottoms. You see, of course, on our YouTube channel, you'll see lots of videos of boats as well we sold through the years. We also welcome special orders, or if you have questions on this boat or any other boat, feel free to contact me. I'm going to be doing several other videos. We we recently got 5 of these jet boats in, and then we also mud boats too. It just arrived, and busy here in Pennsylvania. But I appreciate watching. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. Check us out at our website at FNSYamaha.com. And feel free to drop me a line with any questions. Have a good day.